wants to go to the school. Today I go to school. I have to take a shower. Wow! It looks like KUROMI will wash her face first. I'll take off my nightcap and my pajamas. I will wash my face so that it is clean. Time to rinse my face. It's time to take a shower. It seems the water is warm. This is the soap for you, KUROMI. Wow, it smells good. And this is the shampoo. It's so fresh and I smell good. I am done. I'll dry my body first, then I'll brush my teeth. Now, let's brush your teeth, KUROMI. Okay. This is the toothpaste and the toothbrush. Now, I want to choose clothes. Well, this is my school clothes. Okay, I'll put it on you. And now, I will put your shoes on. To make it cuter, I'll wear a headband. Okay, now let's go to school. It turns out it's raining outside. I'll bring an umbrella. Yay! It's arrived! I turn on the light first. Let's read a book, friends. Which book is it? This is the one I will read. Okay, guys, that's today's story. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye, everyone.